it's me, Katie, and you're probably thinking, oh, she's in her jammies still. I am in my jammies still, and it's like dinner time or something, but I'm really tired, so not going to really be doing anything today. So this video is only going to be about 10 minutes long or something. So yeah, just like to say, over these days, I don't know if there'll be any videos going up because I'm going to have my stepbrother and stepsister, Danny and Luke, come in for a few days who live in Leeds. So yeah, that'll be fun. And then I'm going to my dad's on Saturday. So on Saturday I might do a video or Sunday. But that'll be at my dad's, so. Yeah? Yeah, please. That was just my mum asking if I want noodles for my tea. You heard that? Keep wiping my eyes because I'm so tired. Right. E45 cream is what I'm looking for. Here is the E45 cream. Now give me 2 minutes. I'll bring you down to my room as well. I'm just going to put some E45 cream on my spouts. Believe it or not, I'm only 9 and I get spots. Yeah. Weird. Don't get it in my hair. Got to go in the bath today anyways. I probably look really weird when I'm doing this. But everyone gets spots. Okay. I have loads of spots on my face. Even though I'm only 9, I still get spots. Look. Now I'm going to wash my hands. Sorry if I go dark. My bathroom is very dark. And I'm too small to even reach the light switch. That's how small I am. 2 minutes, just drying my hands. Okay. So if you look, this is how tall I am. From down there to up here. Okay, and that's how high the light switch is. From the floor. And my hand can only reach there. Go on my tippy toes and reach it. It's got sellotape on because it broke. Got dropped on the floor and broke. So yeah. Okay. What am I going to do today? I'll probably get dressed. Maybe go on a run. I'll go out. Go on my bike or something. So yeah. I was lying in bed with my teddy I got from bowling. So yeah, that was fun until I got disturbed, yeah? Elle, stop playing tricks on us. That's my sister, so if you hear her knocking again, please. I apologise. So yeah, if you didn't know, I do have a sister. I have 2 sisters. I'm in my sister's room, Sophie's, and then me and Elle share a room together. I've just froze there, so sorry if when you watch the video it freezes in the middle. So yeah, probably just gonna end the video here. I'm sorry it wasn't the best video. So yeah, bye. See you guys maybe on Saturday. Just about to end the video. One last thing. If I don't upload a video on Saturday, I might do one on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, bye. Nearly dropped my phone.